asked me to do a mini tutorial, so I'm about to get ready to put Giselle on, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I do that. But first I went ahead and I did my edges, okay? So if I've done them, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my silky satin edge scarf so that they stay real nice throughout the day. So I'm gonna double tie it in the back, and then I'm gonna tuck it. Alright, so I'm gonna tuck the sides real quick. I just do this while I'm curling my wig, because I don't really curl my wig on my head unless I'm just doing like touch-ups, you know what I'm saying? After I do this, I go ahead and I put on my bonnet. So like once I put on my bonnet, alright, that's just while I'm walking around the house, because I don't want to, you know, scare nobody with my prison braids under here, alright? So, you know, I put this on. I look kind of cute, like a Pillsbury dope. So, I'm gonna go ahead and take the bonnet off. And the edges, they slick, baby. They slick. Okay, so the first thing I always do is I always make sure that my adjustable straps are in the correct place. Before I even like put it on, I just make sure my adjustable straps are in the correct place. And I have 2 combs in the front. You can tell I've been using this shit a little bit, but that's cool because she's still gonna get in there. Alright, so first thing I do is I start on my right side. I put Giselle in, and then I go ahead and put my left side in, and then I bring the rest of the wig down, and then I put my back comb in, okay? Now I'm gonna fix this closure because it kind of folded up, folded over a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and press. Y'all, she looking right, honey. She looking like a bag of money, honey. Okay, so I'm about to comb Giselle out. Yes, I'm gonna think of it like this because Giselle is giving me my life, honey. Yes, honey. Just give me my life. I did have to fix my little edge right here because she was looking a little weird. So I'm just gonna go ahead and smooth her down so she don't look like I just popped, you know what I'm saying? Like I just fucked up some shit. So there we go. Yeah, she back.